Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about prime and composite numbers. First of all, we'll talk about what a product is. It's an answer to a multiplication problem. For example, 7 multiplied by 8 gives us 56. 56 is the product. Okay, now what is a factor? A number that is multiplied by another to give a product. For example, 7 multiplied by 8 gives us 56. These are the factors of the number 56. 7 and 8 are the factors of the number 56. A factor, a number that divides evenly into another. For example, 56 divided by 8 gives us 7. Therefore, 8 and 8 is a factor of 56. Now, what are factors? A table, for example, 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. Therefore, 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. 7 and 9 are for 63. For 48, it's 8 and 6. And for 36, it's 4 and 9. Kinda like this. Okay, what are factors when we get evenly divided? For example, 42 divided by 7 gives us 6. Therefore, 7 is the factor of 42, 9 is the factor of 63, 6 is the factor of 48, 9 is the factor of 36. What is a prime number? A number that has only two factors, itself and 1. For example, 7. 7 is a number which only has two factors are itself and 1. 7 is prime because the only numbers that will divide into evenly 1 and 7. This is the only one. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. The numbers which are not there in anyone's table except for their table, and the for 1. And 1 is not a prime number. Please remember this. Now, what is a composite number? A number that has more than two factors. For example, 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. So all these are the factors of 8. Therefore, it is considered as a composite number. Any number which has more than two factors, one in itself except for these, are referred as composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15, and on and on. But there's a special note: every whole number from 2 on is neither composite or prime. Alright? Are only number 1. Special note: 1 is not a prime nor a composite number. It is not prime because it does not have exactly two different factors. And it is not composite because it does not have more than two factors. Therefore, it's neither composite nor prime. It's left all alone. Okay. Prime factorization, a way to write a composite number as the product of prime factors. Alright. Now, for example, 2 times 3 is equals to 12, or 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Okay. 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 12. How to do prime factorization using a factor tree? Step 1. Start with a composite number, for example 48. Then, what we are supposed to do? Step 2. Write down a multiplication problem that equals this number or any pair of factors of this number. For example, 6 times 8 is 48. Then, step 3. Find factors of these factors. 6 is there in the table of which numbers? 3 or what or what, or 8 is there in the table of which numbers? 42 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and it gives us 48. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 4 is 48. Step 4. Find factors of these numbers until all factors are prime numbers. We need to factorize it more on and on. 2 times 2 is 4. Yes, so we get 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, it gives us 48. This is how we're supposed to do it. Step 5. Write the numbers from least to the greatest. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 gives us 48. So this is how we're supposed to do it. Step 6. Count how many numbers are the same and write exponents for them. For example, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is 2 how many times? 4 times. Therefore, we'll write 2 is the power 4 times 3, which will give us 48. Prime factor, you need to prime factor this number, that is 4. That is so easy. 2 times 2 is 4. Simple and easy. And how many times 2 is coming? 2 is the power 2 gives us 4. Number 6. There are many other numbers which you can prime factor.